Okay, here we go, guys. COVID-19 panic notes, day 5. So we're going to go over this distribute and combine like terms again. So here we have it. Hopefully you're able to get this printed off. If not, make sure that you write it down, take a picture of it, go ahead and text it to me to my email address, which I've been sending out to you. Also, if you have more questions, I'm highly recommending that you Zoom with me on a daily basis. Your Zoom time for Math 8 is 10 to 10:15. All right, 10 to 10:15 is your Zoom time. So please get on board. I give you a link, press that link, get in there, put that password in if it requires password, and we should be able to get together. So let's go through this. Same notes as yesterday. If you don't really need it and you understand it, go ahead and go to the homework. If you don't, go ahead and pay attention. If you need to watch yesterday's video, go ahead and watch yesterday's video. It's the same thing. So I'm probably gonna go through all 6 since these should be pretty fast since it's only the first 2 steps that you're going through. And that is that distribute and combine. Those first 2 steps, that's all we're doing today. Okay? All right. So we're going to distribute. That's that 4. We'll distribute to the 8r and the negative 9. So 4 times 8 is 32, and together they have 1r. So we add the r's together. 4 times negative 9, negative 36, and we just bring that down as negative 8r. And then we combine like terms. What are like terms? Well, the ones that have an r or the variable, the same variable, go. This one does not have a variable, so it's not the same as these. So we'd say that. Now, if one of these had a square on the top of it, they would not be the same as an r. R squared and r cubed to the 3rd power, to the 4th power, and the 5th power are different than r's. So 32 minus 8, 24r minus 36. And that's it. That's all we need to do. We can't do anything else with it. There's no equal sign, so we can't do our other steps. This is an expression, so expressions don't have equal signs. This is it. This is where we are, okay? All right, let's look at number 2. All right, so what we're gonna look is this part right here. If it helps, you can go like that. So it is negative 10 times, and of course we put the 1 there. So negative 10 times 1 is negative 10, and together they have 1, and negative 10 times negative 6 is positive 60. Don't forget about that 5, bring it down. We use the negative as a minus. We combine like terms. This one has an n, no n, no n. So our no n's are like terms. 5 plus 60 is 65. We can bring down the minus 10n. And that is our answer. Okay? Remember, you can look through the video as many times as you want. You can pause it, you can go back. Nothing changes in the process. The only thing that changes are the numbers. So we always do the same thing. We always distribute first, and then we combine like terms. So let's go ahead and distribute. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 6 is 60. That one doesn't have an r, but that one does. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So we have 1r. And then bring down r minus 8. Well, sorry, that looks like a weird 30, but it is 30. So no r, no r. This one has an r, so we're going to have the 30 and the negative 8. So we'll use it as plus 30 minus 8, or you can say plus 30 or 30 plus negative 8. I don't care how you choose to do it. That is 22. And we just bring down the 60r because it does not have a like term. So you simply bring that down. And that is your answer. Number 4. Right, we're going to distribute once again, and it's over here. If it helps, you can do this and see exactly where it is you're distributing. Take that sign with it because you know that's positive 7. Positive 7 times 5, 35p. 7 times 8, 56. Don't forget to bring that down. Well, that's a positive 35, so we're going to put a plus there. You need to make sure you put a plus or a minus in there. If you don't, then you're multiplying. Well, this has a p, that has a p, so we're going to add those together. So negative 5 plus 35 is 30p. We're not going to add the p's together because we're adding here. Only when we multiply do we add p's together. And bring down the plus 56. So that is our answer, 30p plus 36 for this expression. Remember, no equal sign, so we can't do what happens on one side happens on the other. I'm going to go ahead for you guys that are having trouble with this to go ahead and do a couple more. If you're good, turn off the video, get to your homework. You don't need to do all these. If you're not good, pay attention, keep doing them with me, play the videos, replay the videos, rewrite your questions, your expressions, rewrite them and do them again so that you understand it. -5 times 1, -5, -5 times 7, -35n. Bring this down, -7n. Remember, we're only doing that part. That comes down. Well, this is an n, that has an n, so we're going to add those together. So the -5 just comes down, and -35 plus -7 is -42n. And that is the answer to the expression. Once again, we look, we see what's attached to that parenthesis, and it's that 5 is attached. So this is the part we're going to do right here. So 5 times -10 is -50b. 5 times -1 is -5. Bring down the -4. We don't need to put anything there because we can use that negative as a minus sign. But we have, this does not have a variable and this does not have a variable, so they are the same. They are like terms. -4 plus -5, -9. Nothing to add to the -50b, so it's -50b comes down. That's our answer. Hey, make sure you come to the Zoom meeting. I'd like to see you guys, even if it's just for a minute or two, so we can check in and see how everybody's doing. That'd be great to see you. If you do need some extra help, make sure that you Zoom. I believe you can use your phone. I think there might be some video issues with it, but if you can't, you can still do audio. We can talk to you. We can get something done for you. Let me know how things are going. Remember, take a picture of your work. Open up a text. Put my email address in your text, who you're sending it to. Add the pictures of your work and email and send. It will email it to me. Get those in, get those turned in so you can get credit for it. Okay? Everybody be safe. Take care.